Do you want to see something really cool? Check this out. When Good to Go was designed, they realized people get busy and don't want to swap around different applications. So, we made it so you can send a job for review and approval right from your email. All you have to do is send an email to a special email address with the email of the print buyer in the subject line. Then, just drag and drop the file to be sent for review into the email. Then send. From there, Good to Go will verify the sender, uploads the file, assigns it the print buyer's email address, and sends out the review. Just like a normal review, the print buyer gets a review and approval notice with a direct link to the file. Meanwhile, the sender also gets a confirmation email, and of course, when the review and approval is done, the sender gets that notice too. I think you'll agree, really cool and really easy. By the way, don't try this at home. You need to have a verified email with a valid Good to Go subscription for this to work.